Winter has come early, or at least that's how it felt on these snowy days by the water. Moving back to the docks after a summer off-grid is a luxurious change, and we're grateful for it. This is especially true on colder days when we can hunker down inside the boat with our heaters and heated blanket. It's a busy time of year, and as the days get shorter, sometimes it feels like there's less and less time to get things done. On the other hand, we look forward to the slowness this time of year brings, which gives us time to reflect on everything that's happened so far. Well, the snow apparently has arrived. It feels like literally a couple weeks ago we were saying how nice it was and how nice of a fall it was and how sunny and warm, and it's snowing. Like, it's a full-on blizzard out there right now, which is crazy. Kind of exciting though. I do love the snow on the boat. It makes it just feel so cozy. Cold though. It's quite cold out right now, obviously, if it's snowing. Okay, so you can probably hear outside, it's still super stormy. The snow is coming down fast and furious and it's freezing. I've got both space heaters going, and yeah, definitely the first day of winter for sure. But you might remember from last year, wind comes through these slats in our hatch boards, especially the direction it's coming from now. It's just funneling straight through the slots and cooling down the cabin. So it actually makes a huge difference to cover them. This year I'm actually going to use this foam and just cut little strips out of them. And then it's actually the perfect size. It just kind of like squeezes in there, and already you can feel a huge difference. So I'm gonna do that. I can't believe I'm having to do this already. I mean, I guess it is late November, but I don't know. Winter just came faster than I expected. But this is perfect. And then I can just pull them out when I need to. And I'm hoping this will help keep a lot of the heat in. Yeah, honestly, huge difference already. There is still a little bit of air that obviously comes up through the top, but that's good because I think you need a little bit of ventilation. One of our patrons actually sent us this blanket and it is so cozy. Yeah, that was so sweet, so thank you so much. It is definitely coming in handy tonight and probably the next couple nights. I think we're gonna get a bit of a cold snap here, so it's nice to be extra cozy. It's starting to warm up a bit more in here now that I've covered the slots and the hatch boards. I don't know how good I'm gonna sleep tonight. It's quite stormy, and normally I take down the tarp just to kind of help mostly with the noise and a little bit of the jolting, but it's supposed to keep snowing and kind of like rain, snow all up until all overnight and into tomorrow, I think. So I think I'm gonna keep it up just to keep some of the snow off and some of the rain out, but yeah, we'll see. I have high hopes. I think with the dehumidifier, earplugs, and maybe even some like music or something just to kind of tune out the noises outside, I should be able to sleep just fine. I can't remember if I mentioned this earlier, but Jonas is out of town for the next couple days. So it's just me on the boat, and yeah, I'll be riding out this little blizzardy snowstorm, which is just crazy. It seems too early. I feel like we don't usually get snow until after the new year, maybe some in December, but yeah, I don't know. Late November seems a little early for snow to me. But it's kind of exciting to see the snow, and always makes the boat feel super cozy. So who knows, maybe I'll even pull out the heated blanket tonight or something. This is literally insane. Like, that's wild. I was getting ready to go to bed and I looked out the window and it's wild. Like, there's so much snow out here, it's insane. Morning. Amazingly, the snow actually stuck around last night, which I was surprised at. Usually it melts pretty quick, but still kicking. Luckily it stopped coming down, so I think hopefully that's all the snow we'll be getting in the near future, but yeah, pretty crazy. Last night wasn't too bad though. It was definitely windy, but I think I only woke up like once, which is pretty good. I think we talked about this a bit in our last video, but storms have definitely gotten easier on the boat for whatever reason. I don't know if it's just because we're used to it, or just a combination of, like, you know, snubbers and like things we've done to make it more comfortable inside the cabin. But it's nice to not have to sort of worry about storms as much anymore, in the sense of like not being able to sleep. Like, I can usually put myself to sleep, which is really, really nice. I have a feeling the snow is going to be melted sort of by this afternoon, but yeah, pretty crazy.